People, I have talked about natural pollinators for a long time. If you look right there, I have no idea what that is. Alright? Here comes my honeybees. He's up there. That's one, that's two. Oh, here he is right here, beautiful. Okay? Now you move on around over here. Some of them are so small you can't hardly see them. They're there. The other ones, little bitty ones, butterflies, you name it, they on here. Black bees. And it's so important, the different pollinators. Here's one here so small, I doubt if you'll be able to see him. But he's there. I don't even see my black bees right now, but they on here. There's one right there. One black bee there, one up there. Here's a honeybee here. There's a couple of small ones flying around up here. I have no idea what they are. Even the wasp. See that? Now the butterflies are here too. I don't see one right offhand. But usually there's butterflies all over this thing. That's my Japanese plum. This is why it's so important to have your little natural pollinator hounds out all over your yard. It brings in the different pollinators. At times I have counted 10 to 15 different types on that Japanese plum over there. The natural pollinators also help get peppers and stuff to grow. Notice this, right there. It's hard to see. The sun's in my eyes. But anyway, right there in the corner, right there, is a black bee. Notice every hole in his little house is plugged up. See him? He got his family raising in there. Not only do I have the natural bees, I have my honeybee hive. And I encourage the bees, any kind, natural, normal, imported, whatever. You need them in your yard. I wish I had known this when I first started gardening. It would have made a big difference.